Indian Railways is the lifeline of the nation. It is the fourth largest railway network in the world and carries passenger and freight traffic across the length and breadth of the country, non-stop 24/7, serving the needs of the industry and society at large. It is the men behind the scenes, or rather wheels in this case, who work tirelessly to make this unceasing motion possible. Human capital is indeed the most valuable asset for any organization, and this is even more true for a labor-intensive organization like the Indian Railways. Its mammoth workforce of close to 14 lakh is its greatest strength. The Indian Railways Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, Jamalpur, was set up in 1888 to nurture and train the manpower of rolling stock stream of the railways. Over the years, it has emerged as the most versatile training center of the national carrier in this field. It is the oldest centralized training institute of the railways, located 7 kilometers west of district headquarters of Munger in eastern state of Bihar, 170 km east of capital Patna, with majestic Ganges flowing by. The station is located at Kiul-Havda loop line. The institute plays a pivotal role in shaping officers and men of Indian Railways rolling stock department into finest leaders who make one of the largest organizations of the world move relentlessly. The institute was founded in the year 1888 with a single trainer and a single apprentice by the then East Indian Railways, which had set up the largest locomotive workshop of the country in Jamalpur, Munger. Munger had been a capital of Mir Kazim, the Nawab of Bengal, way back in 1862, just a few months after the advent of Havda to Delhi East Indian Railway line. The technical school filled up the wide gap between the requirement and availability of qualified mechanical engineering supervisors in what was. In 1911, the Apprentice Mechanic scheme was started in Jamalpur, which permitted induction of Indians into supervisory levels of management, which was till then reserved for only Europeans. Lack of Indianization of railway services in mechanical engineering was noted by the Eckworth Committee set by the colonial government. The administrative report of 1924-25 proposed the system of special apprentices for mechanical engineering and power transportation branch. The special class railway apprentice scheme was implemented through a notification approved by the Secretary of State for India, and it envisaged a sandwich system consisting of training in classrooms as well as practical training in workshop. The technical school was rechristened as Indian Railway Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering and was placed under the Ministry of Railways in 1978. Centralized training of all trainees of the Indian Railway Service of Mechanical Engineering was started in 1996. Initially, up to 1936, training of both mechanical and electrical engineers was carried out at Jamalpur, which was discontinued thereafter. Institute and hostel buildings are spread out in lush green surroundings of 21.5 acres with all modern amenities. All the classrooms are air-conditioned with latest audio-visual aids. There is a modern convocation hall, a conference room, and a well-stocked library. The facilities available at the institute can be broadly divided into three segments: diesel traction, carriage and wagon, and workshop manufacturing technology groups. Diesel traction on Indian Railways has played a dominant role in traction from the year 1972 till recently. The institute conducts courses for officers and supervisors of Indian Railways in the areas of diesel technology. The model room houses equipment and mock-ups of diesel components, which helps the trainees to grasp even difficult concepts easily. Courses on high horsepower diesel technology have also been started and are appreciated by all the trainees. The institute also makes extensive use of a diesel simulator attached with the Eastern Railway for training of its personnel. Carriage and Wagon Training Center holds a place of pride in the institute. The trainees are equipped to handle the entire gamut of rolling stock from the old variant Integral Coach Factory ICF coach as well as modern stainless steel bodies Link Hoffman Busch LHB coaches. Availability of well-equipped model room simulate workplace conditions during training exposes the personnel to practical facets of rolling stock operation and maintenance. WSP simulator has been designed and constructed in-house, which gives live demonstration to the trainees on wheel slip protection problems of LHB coaches. Train lighting and air conditioning is also a part of the curriculum. The Workshop Manufacturing Technology Group trains Indian Railways personnel on various subjects including welding technology, material management, pneumatics and hydraulics, and fundamentals of control circuits. Officers are also trained in cutting-edge technologies of rapid prototyping and 3D printing. The institute is fully alive to the digital initiatives of the Government of India. Paperless working has been introduced and e-office working is fully functional, which not only ensures high speed and security of office files but also protects the environment by eliminating paper. Registration of candidates, feedback and supply of instruction material is fully online or digitized. As follow-up of board's policy, IRIMEE has also introduced online examination system for various courses since July 2019, which has provided highly effective. The institute meets the stringent quality management system requirement of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001 and ISO 50001. Hostels of IRIMEE are prime heritage buildings of Jamalpur. Yagnik Niwas with 34 air-conditioned rooms and special grade hostel with 23 air-conditioned and 39 non-air-conditioned rooms accommodate officer trainees in comfortable ambience. Queens Road Hostel with a capacity of 100 beds provide a lush green accommodation to trainee supervisors. All hostels have well-equipped dining halls and kitchen to provide hygienic and wholesome food to the visitors. Training young officers in work-life balance techniques is as important as a part of our curriculum of academic training. Yoga classes are attended with enthusiasm by the trainees. Trainees also actively participate in sporting activities of badminton, lawn tennis and squash, and indoor games like table tennis, billiards and snooker. The lounge at hostel enables trainees to relax and leisure by soaking themselves in magazines and television when they are not busy with the training schedule. An 18-course golf course located in the colony is a popular weekend activity. There are many distinguished alumni who have passed the portals of IRIMEE. The list is long, and here we would list some of our Padma Shri and Vishish Seva Medal awardees. Indian Railways Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering aims to provide the best training facilities to young and inquisitive trainee officers who move on to serve the nation throughout the giant railway network of the country. The institute aims to become a place of excellence as a human resource development center for rolling stock engineers, not just for Indian Railways but globally.